Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to sign into your Oculus account using your Oculus application. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your MetaQuest application or the Oculus application on your device. Soon after you open it up, it'll show you this interface right where it says login or create a Meta account. If you want to sign into your existing Oculus account, you will need to go ahead and choose one of the login options in the display. You can continue logging in with your Facebook account. You can log in using your Facebook account, Instagram account, or with an email address. But make sure to select the same option that you chose while getting started with Oculus. Since I joined in with my email, let me tap on continue with email address and tap the continue button to get to the website. Now, confirm your identity by tapping on continue button, and there you have successfully logged into your Oculus account. You might also need to enter your confirmation code while signing into Oculus, so if it prompts you to enter your code, go ahead and visit your email inbox and type in the code received. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.